In this video we're going to show you how to do a manual multi-station start on the Rainmaster Eagle Plus. Start by accessing the manual menu. Select multi-station. I'm going to start stations 1, 3, and 4 together on a manual station start. So I'll select station 1. Go ahead and then enter into the menu and select station 3. See, I have 1 and 3 selected, and then I'm going to select station 4. So I have stations 1, 3, and 4. I'm going to run them for 10 minutes. Go ahead and press start, and you'll see now I am irrigating stations 1, 3, and 4 for 10 minutes. You can stop at your leisure, or it will finish out on its own. That's all there is to it, to a manual station start.